Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can add money from Greendot to Cash App. It's very simple thing to do. For this, first open your Cash App from your devices. After opening Cash App, log into your account, then tap on your profile icon from the top right. Now, in the account section, scroll down and search for linked banks. Tap on it, then select link debit card. Now enter your Greendot card number, date and CVV. If you don't have Greendot card, then tap on no card, then select continue, then search for Greendot on the bank list, and then enter your Greendot credential here, then tap on submit. Then Greendot will be added to your preferred payment method. Now go to Cash App home again, then select bank icon, then select add cash and enter the amount, and then tap on add. And that's how you can add money from Greendot to your Cash App. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.